When it's time for routine maintenance or you're ready for an upgrade, your New Holland dealer makes it easy with convenient kits for your hard-working harvest equipment. Whether you're replacing worn parts to keep your operation running efficiently, or converting and enhancing your machines to boost productivity and expand capabilities, you'll find that our extensive selection of New Holland harvest kits come with the genuine New Holland components and hardware you need to complete any task, large or small, all backed by our industry-leading parts warranty. Compared to shopping for individual parts, New Holland harvest kits save you time and money. And for the bigger upgrades that need dealer assistance, we've got kits for those as well. To learn more about saving time and money with New Holland harvest kits, visit your local dealer today.